Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of DesignBundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to be talking about how to open multiple files into one design page within Silhouette Studio. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and open up your Silhouette Studio program. On the right-hand side here is your page setup. I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 today, so I've already done this on my mats. Now, the designs that I'm importing are white, so I do need to have a darker background. I'll just come over here and grab my rectangle tool. I'm going to draw out this shape. We're going to use our selector to select it, and up here in the top left-hand corner, we'll go ahead and give that some color. We'll make it black. Now, in order to bring in multiple shapes without having to open up new windows, you only need to go up here to File and Merge, and then you'll just go and select whatever shape that you're wanting to use. Let's grab this one here, and we'll just pull it. And normally, if you were to open something, you might open them in multiple windows and then just copy them and bring them over. And it's kind of a pain at times. So you can do this as many times as you want. You can bring in as many elements as you want. You're able to, maybe you want to put this little reindeer up here and you want to type welcome on this banner, or you might have something else in mind. There's a whole lot of elements within this design file. You're able to give this kind of a Christmassy theme. Maybe we want to pull these, angle it this way. Or maybe these ornaments should be hanging from the antlers here to be kind of fun. So this is a great way to design your own Christmas cards or birthday cards, or just any kind of print and cut products, or maybe you want to design a PDF that you're able to later send to a print company to print onto your own t-shirt. I know there's quite a few companies that do that now. So great skill to have, very easy little hack. Just remember, as you're opening multiple files, just File, Merge, and then pick whatever it is that you're opening, and it will open it up in the same document. All right, guys, if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to get notified of our future videos. Have a great day.